Hey there, Playmo pals. This week we commemorate a huge milestone for Playmobil as our beloved toy brand celebrates its 50th anniversary. Welcome back for another Playmo AF unboxing and review. Today we're taking a look at set number 71450. This is the Scientist with Robot. This is one of several special edition Playmobil toys released for the 50th anniversary, branded on the bottom right corner with a large festive number 50. These sets include a cake and or cupcakes, and a balloon with a variety of themed playsets released for this special occasion. In this case, a science lab with a large cake flown around the lab by a drone. Two miniature robots on wheels scurry about, delivering cupcakes to the other scientists. This is also part of the new My Life themed Playmobil toys released this year. With this set comes a scientist dressed in a very futuristic, high-tech outfit under a short lab coat. He wears a pair of bright yellow shades, perhaps to protect his eyes from the chemicals mixing on the lab table, or maybe to keep sweet, delicious icing from getting smothered all over his face. He holds a remote control used for guiding the drone and the little robots to their location, and wears a headset with microphone attached. Our second figure is this very unique looking robot. He will be our 6th Playmobil robot in the collection, so we're excited to see him in person, which we'll get to very soon. Finally, we have a horizontal shelf with a Bunsen burner, 2 flasks or beakers, and a distiller. It also comes with 3 test tubes you can keep in a small red test tube rack. This set, like the other 50th anniversary sets, can be gifted easily to someone, simply by addressing the printed-on gift tag located on the upper right corner of the front of the box. No need to wrap. I think this is another way for Playmobil to practice its standards of recycling and saving on wrapping paper, which I think is a great idea. The right side of the box has the perforation for easy access to your toys. The left side has a cropped version of the front image. Here's the top, here's the bottom. Hey kids, don't eat this stuff. Hey everybody, remember to recycle. The back has all of our pieces photographed individually. It also has another angled view of our toys. And on the far right, it shows a few of the other 50th anniversary sets that you can get and add to your collection. Sounds like a lot of fun, so why don't we go ahead and crack this thing open and see what's inside. Alright, starting off with our Klicky, here he is. Very unique outfit he's wearing. I wonder why they chose this, because there's nothing really about the lab that's, kind of warrants this sort of outfit. But it's cool, I do like it, and I can imagine maybe those are infrared glasses he's wearing. Very nice. So let's go ahead and put on his headpiece, get that out of the way. Is that right? Does that go there? No, it doesn't go there. This still doesn't look right. Where's the box?
8 hours later.
That's right, it's supposed to be like a headset. There we go. Here's his microphone. Now one thing I did notice, and I barely touched it, this piece does not stay on very well. That's kind of sad. Alright. There's that. We do have the rest of our balloon. Here's the string, if you want to call that. There we go. Wow. I feel like I could get it tighter. Maybe But anyway, yeah, there it is. And it's cool. It just stays up like that. So we're going to give this to our scientist to hold for a bit. Here's our drone. All right, so this is part of the Bunsen burner. Well, this is the Bunsen burner. And then we're going to slide, it slides in. Oh, that's so nice. It slides into this for safekeeping. Stays in one spot. And then we should have this part here fitting into here. There we go. Did you hear the click? Here. The bottom or the end of this goes into, according to the picture, into the top of this vial. And it looks like that. Here's our lab table close up. I really like the Bunsen burner and the holder that it comes with. This is a much nicer piece than the science, the school science lab that has a table, a full table, not this just little shelf here for you to put it on. I do like the colors on this, and I love the fact that I've got these beakers here that are not the typical pinkish red color that I have so many of. Cake is done, son. Let's get this thing going. So we have 4 propellers for our drone. So we have this here. That's how the drone carries the cake. Onto that. And so here's the drone. This will be my first drone. I know that there was a drone for a couple of other sets. I think the Playmobil movie had a couple of drones. There's the cake with all the candles, and cake will easily pop out of this mechanism here, so you can lift other things and transport it to wherever you need it to go in your make-believe Playmobil world. Well, we got an extra piece here, but our robot is assembled. I mean, this thing it's cool because it's different, it's new, and it's something, you know, you can add to the collection, but my goodness, look at the arm span of this thing. This thing it takes up a lot of real estate. Yeah, it's pretty wide. I don't really care for the arms. I know you can sort of, you can adjust it, rotate this part here and bring this down here. Sorry, I'm doing it with one hand. So it looks like this, but it just looks a little silly. Hey puppy, you're gonna have to get some clickies over to eat all this cake. Wow, now it's a problem. And well, there you have it, guys. We've got the 50th anniversary science party set. I don't know what else to call this. I do like that robot, but at the same time, I kind of don't like the robot. That's my only complaint. I think it's just a little too wide. I mean, how I have it posed right now kind of works, but I don't know. It's just I just know those arms are still very long. Overall, the set is okay. I do like that I can use the table and the science kit and even the scientist and his little robots, the little ones, mind you, for other things. This one, I just don't know. I think it's cool to have another robot in the mix in my collection, but I don't know. I'm just not a fan of this one. I like having another scientist, though. I have been trying to figure out a plan to do with my clickies for quite some time. I might continue a little story that I've been developing on Instagram and in my mind ever since I was a teenager. It's cool to have another scientist because the scientists are kind of important to the story. But yeah, overall, good set. Happy anniversary, Playmobil, regardless. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmobil.af. Everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and we will see you next time right here on Playmo AF.